Welcome to the inaugural segment of Markets with Matt. Hi, this is Matt Fuller, Senior Vice President with Wealth Enhancement Group. I'm at the XO team in Dallas, Texas. We plan to bring you monthly segments like this so that we can discuss what we're seeing in the market and how we're operating within our portfolios. Lots to talk about. The markets have been incredible. A lot of talk out there about bubbles. I think Jamie Dimon just said here recently that he's more concerned now than he has been in recent months. And we always operate from a risk management standpoint here. We like to have a logical, orderly, disciplined approach to managing risk in our portfolios, to taking profits along the way. And certainly there are a lot of profits to look at taking along the way here, which is certainly a nice place to be in. I'm reminded of a quote that's one of my favorites from Wall Street. It's credited to Humphrey B. Neal, an economist, and he said, "Don't confuse brains with a bull market." And I agree totally. We've seen some tremendous gains, especially in technology stocks, certainly many others. And when things start to feel like they're getting euphoric, they probably are. So again, we're going to reach back and look at our discipline. We're going to maintain our focus and be prudent investors for our clients. And that includes looking at some profits here. Pretty interesting things to look at in addition to just the equity markets. We got to talk about gold a little bit. And I'm going to share my screen here. It recently surpassed the $4,000 mark. And as you can see, it's pretty much been straight up for gold over the last several months. In fact, gold has only been this overbought one other time in history, and that was all the way back in 2001. So again, if you have gold exposure in your portfolios, might be a time to consider whether or not you want to take some partial profits. We always have cash as part of our discipline. I've said for a lot of years, I don't know exactly when the next 700 point down day is going to be for the Dow, but I just know that we're going to have them. And so I want to have cash as part of my strategy available so that I can put it to work when things look like they're more opportune. Very difficult in this environment to find many things to put money to work in right now. Even within technology, we've seen some big gains that are already coming back a little bit. Oracle ran up to 345 or so, and it's back in the 290s. Meta was almost $800 this year, now sitting around 720. So again, really cautious in terms of adding new money at this point in time, and really focusing on managing risk, taking some gains, and enjoying the rest of the year. Certainly some things that could derail this rally on a geopolitical basis. So important to keep that in mind and always make sure that you're following a logical, organized, disciplined approach to managing the investment portfolio. Thanks for tuning in. Happy to take questions or comments, and we'll look forward to seeing you back in a couple of weeks.